Good morning dear students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain 18th dated assignment. The topic is why do we fall ill? Okay, so the first question is asking what happens if kidneys don't filter urine? The answer is if kidneys are not filtering urine, then poisonous substances will accumulate inside our blood. So that is very important that kidney should filter our blood. Now the next question, what are cells made up of? So cells are made up of chemical substances that are protein, carbohydrates, fat or lipid. Lipids are also termed as fat and so on. So these all are the substances of which our cell is made up of. Now the next question, question number 3, what are the different activities that are observed inside our body? We all are living organisms and all the living organisms perform certain activities. So let's see what are those activities. Those activities in our organs or tissues, there are various specialized activities going on. So what are those activities? Our heart is beating, lungs are breathing, kidney is filtering urine and brain is thinking. So these are all various activities going on inside our body. Now the next question is how can you say that the above activities are interconnected? These all activities which we just talked about, how can we say that they are interconnected? So the answer is suppose if our kidney stops filtering the urine, okay, now what will happen? What happened then? The poisonous substances will start accumulating inside our blood and those poisonous substances will affect our brain, which will stop thinking and which will stop doing other work. And brain is the master of all the activities. So if brain will stop working, then rest of the activities will stop. So this is how we can say that all the activities are interconnected to each other. Now the next question, question number 5, what is health? So we can say that health is a state of being well enough to function well. In what manner? Physically, mentally and socially. So health is just not about ourselves, that we are healthy inside our body. That is related to our physical health, mental health as well as social health also. Question number 6, being interested in following the teaching in the classroom so that we can understand the world is called a dash. So what is that? That means healthy attitude, that if we are sitting in the classroom and being interested to listen what is happening outside us, inside or outside the world, that means that is a healthy attitude. Now the next question is asking that how do cyclones affect our health? So cyclones, as we know that they affect, we may be affected by water. During the cyclone what happens? Lot of water, lot of rainwater comes and along with the rainwater which invites lot of diseases. So we may be affected by waterborne diseases and vector-borne diseases. Vector means lots of mosquitoes, house flies, they all, the number of these vectors which spread the diseases, it increase. So during the cyclones, our health is affected by all these waterborne diseases. Now the next question, how do earthquake affect us? So the earthquake affect us very badly. Massive loss of life, infrastructure damage, that means our buildings are damaged, and financial instability, that means loss of money in every manner we are affected. So earthquake also affect us very badly. So students, I hope you have understood today's assignments very well. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.